Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scribbling of Life. So in today's album I am going to show you a flip through of a beautiful semicircular scrapbook on the theme love. So this is basically a Valentine gift idea. You can make this album by yourself as well. So this is the album and the cover is having a beautiful shaker with a beautiful message inside. On the spine I have written together forever using die cut. So once we open the album, there are pages inside the album, and on each page I have put some cards. So the card will open in the up direction or maybe in the down direction and like that. So since the person who got this album made wanted to write a lot of messages, so I have kept a lot of blank spaces and white cards so that he can write some message on it and paste on the blank pages of the card. So each page is having at least one or two blank spaces or even more because he wanted to write a lot and wanted to give this album to his would-be husband. So this is how the album is. And in case you are wondering like why I am not teaching you how to make it, so I wanted to tell you that I have already uploaded a video on this, basically on how to make a semicircular album long back. So I will link that tutorial link on the top and you can watch it and design it as per your will. Each page is having some flip-flap cards. You can put a single photo as well on the pages if you are like low on numbers on the photos, but usually people want to put a lot of photographs in the scrapbook because this is what they are meant for. I have made around 8-9 scrapbooks of such kind. Some were on Rakhi theme, some were on black and white theme, this one is on love theme. So possibilities are a lot when you make scrapbooks. So this is basically the last page of the album. And on the spine, as I already showed you, I have written together forever. You can even write names or anything on the spine. So I hope you like this project and would love to make something for yourself as well. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to make some purchases, you can visit my website here. Thank you.